Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really excited to show you a super cute and fun pink glitter eye makeup look that's not only easy but also perfect for the spring season. You can totally do this makeup with any outfit and the process is super simple. So if you want to give it a try, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm applying a strawberry pink eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid using a fluffy brush, and then I'm extending the shadow towards the middle of my eyelid. At this stage, I'm taking my time to blend it well so that there are no harsh lines. I know that blending eyeshadow can be a bit tedious, but to achieve a flawless smoky look, we need to eliminate all the lines. I blend the eyeshadow using a sweeping motion and gradually add more to intensify the color. For this eye makeup look, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette with similar shades. Next, I'm using a shimmery white eyeshadow. You can skip this part if you want because I chose a very light pink for the inner corner of my eyelid, and since the eyeshadow didn't have much impact, I decided to mix it with the shimmery white. You can use a light shimmery pink at this stage instead. I apply the eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyelid using a small flat brush. Then I apply the pink eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyelid using the same brush. The combination of these two eyeshadows gives us a soft shimmery pink color that looks really cute. Next, I'm using a brown eyeshadow. I decided to make the outer corner of my eyelid near my lash line appear a bit darker, so I'm using the brown eyeshadow for this purpose and blending it only in that area. Keep in mind that the combination of brown and pink eyeshadows is really beautiful. We've reached my favorite part, glitter. At this stage, I'm using powdered glitter and applying it to the center of my eyelid with a brush. You can also use your finger for this. For choosing the glitter, you can use your preferred eyeshadow palette or any powdered eyeshadows. Then I draw a winged eyeliner. I usually extend it to the middle of my eyelid because it suits my puffy eye shape better. You can extend it to the inner corner of your eyelid based on your preference. Then I apply a small amount of glitter to the lower lash line. I suggest trying this technique at least once. You will love it. It makes your eyes look even more beautiful. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. If you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so to make sure you don't miss any videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.